गोंयांत वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांनी गोरवां बेकायदेशीर मारपाचे प्रकार चल्ल्यात ते बेगीन बंद करचे म्हूण गोवंश रक्षा अभियानान मागलां। गोरवांच्या हाडांचे तेल काडून तूप म्हूण विकतात। ही भेसळ बंद करची म्हूण अभियान मागता। सरकारी हॉस्पिटलांनी भोवन पाद्र्यांनी पेशंटांक बेसांव दिवपाचे प्रकार सुरू जाल्यात, तेय बंद करचे म्हूण अभियान मागता।
उसगांवचो मीठ कॉम्प्लेक्स सोडल्यार हेर सुवातांनी गोरवां मारपाक कायद्यान बंदी आसा, मात गोंयभर वेगवेगळ्या सुवातांनी गोरवां मारतात ही गजाल हालींच उक्ताडार आयल्या। गोवंश अभियानान ह्या प्रकाराचो निषेध केला।
हे जे घडटा हेजेर आमची मागणी आसा की गोयच्या सरकारान हेजेर व्हेरी सिरियस लावचे। गोयच्या लोकांच्या आरोग्याशी खेळचे न्ही, मागीर ते खंयच्या धर्माचे आसूं सगळे गोयचो जो नागरीक आसा त्यांचे हित पळोवन तांच्यांनी हेजेर कडक कारवाई करची। आमी मागता की येणाऱ्या दिसांनी सरकारान हेजेर कारवाई करची कडक, आणि सगळे जे कत्तलखाने आसा गोयचे ते सगळे डिमोलिश करचे।
गोंयांतल्या कांय हॉस्पिटलांनी जे गैरप्रकार चल्ल्यात ते बंद करचे अशी मागणी हिंदू विधिज्ञ परिशदेन केल्या।
आम्ही आज या पत्रकार परिषदेद्वारे शासनाला विनंती करीत आहोत की त्यांनी एक नोटिफिकेशन काढून गोवा हॉस्पिटलच्या समोर इथे धर्मप्रसार करण्यास प्रतिबंध आहे अशा स्वरूपाचं ठोक एक पत्रक लावावे। मेडिकल प्रॅक्टिस जिथे चालते, दवाखाना आहे, ते काही धर्मप्रसाराची जागा नव्हे। कोणत्याही शासकीय जागेमध्ये धर्मप्रसार अशा पद्धतीने होऊ नये ही आमची शासनाकडे विनंती आहे।
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस।
गोंयांतले मसाज पार्लरांचेर नियंत्रण दवरपा खातीर सरकारान खासा कायदो करचो अशी मागणी गोंय स्पा सलून असोसिएशनान केल्या। गरज पडल्यार हो उद्देग पर्यटन खात्या खाला हाडचो अशी सुचोवणी असोसिएशनान केल्या। गोंयांत जाय त्या सुवातींनी शिंदळकी चलता असो दावो स्पा सलून असोसिएशनान केलो।
Health Act needs to be amended, as you said.
Yeah, they will amend it. Of course, I have faith in amending them. We cannot demand for timelines of the government. We want to request the government to move us straight under the aegis of the tourism department, because we are tourism related.
Yes.
We are primarily tourism related. We are secondarily with health department related, which is also important, which will also be an important part of our constitution.
Yes.
But mainly it should be under tourism, because that's the only time what we will be able to sort of grow, flourish, and contribute to more to the states.
We also propose to have a sort of a little board that examines all therapists.
The whole noise right now happening is about gender segregation, wherein what we are trying to do is we are trying to separate the genders. We are trying to make it like a boys' school and a girls' school. But there is no mandate, there is no law which is prevalent right now which tells or which dictates that there should be a gender segregation.
Unfortunately, anybody can put up a board anywhere and start anything.
Yeah, that's what's happening.
That's the state of affairs that we are in. The health department today, they ask for certificates. If you have a therapist, they want a certificate. They want a certificate.
They don't care if you give them any certificate.
Where it is from.
Yes. And they don't recognize international institutes.
There was one spa called Sivanta which was shut in Kalangur. This is the same operators who were running a place called Lotus in Prudent. That was shut, and they were again allowed. They were given the licenses and everything by health department and whoever to start.
Yeah, they had all the licenses.
Called Sivanta. I mean, this is funny. So what kind of job are they doing? Then they have a police record to help. So actually you should have checked and not given them the license. No?
Is that suddenly there is no separation between spas and therapies and the flesh trade per se. The flesh trade has always been going on, and nobody can deny that. It's happening all over the coastal belts, it's happening all over Goa. See, suddenly the dividing line is not there.
घेऊ एक विराम।